One of the best ways to decorate for fall or any season are the awesome Dollar Tree window clings. They truly have some really neat ones this year, and they're always a favorite. You can use them on just about anything. And today, I hope I can inspire you to create some of your own. So let's get started on fall window clings. Welcome to station KDIY Channel 146. I'm Soozie, and this is Soozie's Stuff. I'm so glad you stopped by, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. So sit back, grab a snack, and relax, and let's DIY. Come on. All right, we are going to start out with some Dollar Tree Plus items. I love these 3 pumpkins. They were only $3, and they already have that shiplap look. Love that. So $3 was a good price. And then I'm just adding these window clings with some of the spray adhesive. I just find it works so well and so easy. And if you need to move your window cling around, you can do that easily before it dries. And so you just lay them on there, and then I always spray just a little bit on top for the last coat. I just love the colors of this window cling pack. They are just gorgeous. And now I'm just going to add some little faux leather or faux suede cord this was from Walmart. And I just made 3 simple little bows, added that to the top, and I'm done. How easy and wonderful is that? And then I thought I just want the pumpkins to pop out a little bit more. So I just grabbed my shoe polish, the brown color, and just dabbed it around the edges to sort of really, just define them a little bit more and give it a touch of detail. And that's all. Ooh, I love this. I think this turned out great and so simple. All right, next up is this frame that I got at I got it at Target. And this is from last year, but I do believe they have them this year. It comes with the Hello Fall and I think a couple of pumpkins, but I know that you can find a frame like this at Dollar Tree now. They even have them in the Dollar Tree Plus section. There's one that's $3. I think I show here in just a little bit. But this little frame is so cute, so perfect. You can add a background if you want, but I just love the natural color that this frame has. And once again, using the spray adhesive and then just a little hot glue to put on the Hello Fall. And Dollar Tree also has the little wooden letters that say Welcome Fall, Hello Fall, and some other things. And then just to jazz this one up, I'm adding a little bitty wooden piece from Dollar Tree, some raffia, and then this it's the twine that has wire in it. So that came out great just for a little bit of the curly Q vine. Tell me what you think. I love how this turned out. I think it would be perfect sitting on a shelf. And notice my little mug from my friend Shepherd's Tail. I'll leave her link down below. She creates beautiful candles. And here is the frame from the Dollar Tree Plus. It was $3, and I already put on the window clings. This one is so easy. I just added the truck and the gather sign, and look at these cool new wooden, I guess they're apples. I think they look like apples, but we're going with pumpkins, apples, whatever you like, and just the natural wood. And look at it across the top of the frame. What do you think about this one? How easy is that? I'm done. And once again, I just used the spray adhesive to put on those window clings. Ooh, I love it. And this next set is really for Thanksgiving. It says give thanks, but it has some beautiful pieces to use right now. And I already put these two on, and I'm using a little bit of the faux leather from Dollar Tree, just a little strip across the top. So I'm using these new faux leather words. This one says blessed, and there's thankful, and they also have a darker color, but I just got sort of this blonde faux leather color. I love it. Thought it was gonna be great, and look how beautiful it looks with the other faux leather. And just like I said at the beginning of this episode, is use your imagination and see what you can come up with of how to put it all together. And like I said, you can use them on anything. They look great on the candles. I just had a whole bunch of these frames sitting around, and if you like what you see today, just give me that thumbs up. I took some of my favorite ribbon from Dollar Tree. It's called Farmhouse ribbon, and I just used a little upholstery pin and just shoved it in there, and my camera went crazy. But here is how it came out. I just think it's darling. And once again, look at my Soozie Stuff mug. You have to check out my friend's Etsy site. It is Shepherd's Tail. She's awesome. All right, so this last one I'm doing, I'm not really using window clings. I tricked you, but I just love this new sign that I saw at Dollar Tree and thought, I really don't need to do much to it because it is so cute. I just loved how it was just created. I love it. But I wanted to add a couple of things here and there. I got my black Sharpie and went over some of that glittery word that says served here, and then I'm using that chalk writer and the white one, and just going over that. The letters were kind of pinkish, just looked not that great. And if you take your time and just go over these letters, it really comes out great. And I just used a Q-tip to clean it up, and then also just kept wiping it down so that I got a really clean tip to work with. And I think it came out great. It's real subtle, but I love that technique. And I just used my black marker on a couple of other things on the board. This is how it came out. I love it. Just added a little black here and there. And if you notice the words, it says mold with cinnamon. And you see that down at the bottom? It says, I'm like, what is CLOV? I know it says cloves, but look how the L is capital and it looked like sea loves. And I was like, what is that? I had to look at that twice. Okay, I'm crazy, but I just got out now my cinnamon sticks. Now you're going to really notice it. And just added those across the top. Everybody's got cinnamon sticks, right? You always buy them at Christmas, and they're always on the 90% off. So I just grabbed that. And then, this beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree. It is actually, I think, made for this sign. Who doesn't want this beautiful maroon checked ribbon? Oh, I just love how it went together with this board. How darling to set on your coffee bar or wherever. And then once again, I was over in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and these little wooden easels are fabulous. You can paint them, spray paint them. I just left my natural this time, but I can tell you one thing. I am going to pick up some more because they are perfect for little signs. I don't usually like to hang signs up a lot of the time, but I think this is perfect for your buffet table or wherever. I just love how this turned out. What do you think? And I really quick wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's happening next week. My Dollar Tree pumpkin makeover and some of my old pumpkins that I've had forever. We are going to give them a beautiful makeover and see what we come up with. So make sure your Soozie stuff alert is on so you know when I'm posting. This is all my projects today. I hope you enjoyed them, and don't forget to check out my friend Shepherd's Tail over on Etsy. Her link is down below, and she has some darling mugs and all kinds of wonderful candles and wax. So check that out. And I just want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope I inspired you. So always join me for Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.